Namaste, my friends, and welcome to the Daily Pull. We are pulling from the Angels and Ancestors deck right here by Kyle Gray. If you would like to join me in placing your right hand on your heart and your left hand at your lower sacral, I am doing the same through the screen. We're going to close our eyes, clear the mind, focus on the emotion of now, and take 3 slow deep breaths. Split it. So we have the she-wolf. Unleash the wild within. So the she-wolf is a sacred one, and you have someone who is said to be half woman and half wolf. This is a divine feminine energy connected at large like wolves are with the moon. It is a pack energy. Wolves are very much about being in packs, being connected, being with the collective, relying on one another. Remembering that there's the alpha, so there's still this individual nature of uniqueness, and also the alpha is there to protect the family, to protect the collective. That is what each of us are doing on a collective and individual level. So there is no separation from our inner calm and our primal instincts. This is all one. We get to combine and utilize our divine feminine energy along with this beautiful pack-like energy, this wildness, this trusting of our intuition and instincts, following along. Sometimes we feel like we're going through life without knowing where we are going, and that is okay, because our internal compass knows where we are going when we trust upon this. Remember that the divine feminine energy is both nurturing and incredible, powerful force. So being able to combine that alpha energy that's often associated with the packs, with the wolf, and the divine feminine energy, which is typically dominant, assumed, and perceived within the woman, it is showing how these come together, a yin and a yang, as well as, again, that primal nature. When we allow ourselves to get wild, we get the opportunity to be reborn. We resurface into our natural state of being, and that is how we connect our deepest to Source. I hope that this resonates, serves, and supports you today. That is the message that is coming through the Daily Pull, and I will see